This is the death descending from the skies, a force capable of snapping the neck of a bird in mid-flight. In fact, it is the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest flying bird in the world, which uses a stoop technique for hunting. In this method, it first soars to great heights and then dives toward its prey. During its dive, its speed reaches up to 390 km/h, and at that speed, it attacks its target, making it its lunch. This rocket-like attack technique is so deadly that the prey only realizes it's being attacked without ever knowing from which direction the strike is coming.